Quiver Matplotlib, arrow with the same sizes. I'm trying to do a plot with Quiver, but I would like the arrows to all have the same size. I use the following input. But even if add options like norm equals true or normalize equals true, the arrows are not normalized. Anyone knows how to do this? Thank you.
Not sure if there is a way to do this by explicitly providing a quark to plt.quiver, but a quick workaround would be like this. Original plot. Normalize plot. This just normalizes the u and v components of the vector by the magnitude of the vector, thereby maintaining the proper direction, but scaling down the magnitude of each arrow to 1.
If you want to put the channel, click the like